When you're looking for the best air fryer for one person, everything seems to look the same. Same claims, same features, same photos. But to figure out what really works for your solo meals, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. First up is the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Priced at $89.87, this fryer caught my attention with its impressive 6-quart capacity and bestseller badge. If you want a reliable air fryer that promises crispy, juicy results every time, this is worth a serious look. This means you can cook your meals faster while achieving perfect texture. Plus, with a 90 degrees 450 degrees F temperature control, you get evenly cooked dishes without the guesswork. With over 19,600 reviews and a solid 4.8-star rating, it's clear that many happy users are raving about it. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it might be too big for just one person. Here's the thing though, if you ever plan to cook for friends or want leftovers, that capacity becomes a huge plus. So while it's larger than some options, it's versatile enough to handle various meal scenarios. This is perfect for you if you enjoy hosting or want to meal prep for the week. Skip this one if you really need something compact for a tiny kitchen. Overall, for the price, it delivers impressive performance. Now, if the size of the Cosori bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BELLA4 QT Slim Air Fryer. Next up is the BELLA4 QT Slim Air Fryer. At just $49.99, this air fryer stands out with its sleek design, perfect for fitting into any kitchen. If you want a space-saving option that doesn't compromise on performance, this might be just what you need. The BELLA boasts a 4-liter capacity with a unique slim design, which means you can fit it almost anywhere, whether it's on your countertop or tucked away. It features an Evergood ceramic non-stick coating, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring your meals are healthier without the harmful chemicals. With 1,300 watts of power and 6 preset cooking options, you can air fry, bake, roast, and more, all while enjoying meals faster. However, some users reported that it can take a bit longer to cook certain items compared to larger models. Here's the thing, if you're cooking small batches or personal meals, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just adjust your cooking time and you'll still be enjoying delicious, crispy meals. This is perfect for you if you want a compact yet efficient air fryer for everyday cooking. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty machine for large family meals. For the price, it's hard to beat the value and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick meals. Product number 3, Chefman 2 QT Mini Air Fryer. Our third pick is the Chefman 2 QT Mini Air Fryer, priced at $42.49. This compact fryer caught my eye because it's designed specifically for small servings. If you're looking for something that's quick and perfect for 1 or 2 people, keep listening. This mini air fryer uses little to no oil, making it a healthier cooking option while still delivering crispy results. With a 400 degrees F maximum temperature and a capacitive touchscreen, you can customize cooking times and temperatures easily. Plus, it features shake notifications to ensure even cooking. It's compact, meaning it takes up less counter space, which is a huge plus for small kitchens. However, some users mention that the cooking capacity might feel limiting if you want to make larger meals. But here's the thing, if you're just cooking for yourself or a quick meal for 2, this size is just right. It's all about managing your expectations. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss air fryer for personal meals. Skip this one if you frequently cook for a crowd. At this price point, it's a smart buy for solo chefs. Now, if you're looking for something with more flexibility in cooking functions, our next option might catch your interest. Product number 4, Cuisinart 2.6-quart Air Fryer. Next, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer, priced at $59.49. This model really shines with its stainless steel design and 3 cooking functions: air fry, roast, and bake. If you want versatility in your cooking without taking up too much space, you'll want to check this out. With a 2.6-quart capacity, it's perfect for meals for 1 or 2 people. It features 3 air fry presets: so you can whip up fries, wings, or snacks quickly. The 1100 watts of power and adjustable temperature up to 400 degrees F make sure your food is cooked evenly, and the viewing window allows you to monitor your meals without opening the basket. Some customers felt that it doesn't heat up as quickly as some larger fryers. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and enjoy the cooking process, this shouldn't be much of an issue. Plus, the results are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish air fryer that can handle a variety of meals. Skip this if you need something that heats up in a flash. Overall, it offers great value for its price and features. Moving on, if you're looking for something even more compact, our final contender might be just what you need. Product number 5, COSORI 2.1 QT Mini Air Fryer. Last but not least is the COSORI 2.1 QT Mini Air Fryer, available for $59.99. This one caught my attention with its compact design and multitasking capabilities. If you need an air fryer that's easy to store but still powerful, stick around. It also has 4 cooking functions: air fry, reheat, roast, and bake, making it versatile for a variety of meals. Plus, the lightweight design makes it great for dorms or small kitchens, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Some users reported that the capacity is still on the smaller side for certain meal prep. But honestly, if you're primarily cooking for yourself or looking to quickly reheat leftovers, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a compact air fryer that's versatile and easy to use. Skip this if you regularly cook for more than 2 people. For the price, it's an excellent choice for solo cooks. Now, let's quickly recap the 5 air fryers we covered. To wrap it up, we covered some fantastic options for solo cooking: the Cosori TurboBlaze BELLA Slim Air Fryer, Chefman Mini, Cuisinart, and COSORI Mini Air Fryer. Each has its strengths, whether it's size, versatility, or price. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and kitchen space.